Pradeep ji, one more election and one more terrorist attack. Thankfully, this time, the number of injuries are only 5. We can have the visuals on now, please. Can you please put on the visuals of the Poonch attack? Surankote है एक जगह, पूंछ में, जम्मू कश्मीर में. वहाँ पर 2 इंडियन एयरफोर्स के व्हीकल्स थे जिसमें टेक्निकल टीम जा रही थी. उसके ऊपर हमला किया गया. टेररिस्ट ने आकर के उस पर हमला किया, उसको फायरिंग करी. नो RDX इन्वॉल्व, कोई एक्सप्लोजन नहीं था, लेकिन 5 लोग मारे गए हैं. 5
मारे गए?
नहीं, they're not dead. I'm so sorry. 5 people are injured. 3 of them seriously. 3 of them have been flown to the military hospital in Udhampur, which is close by helicopter, and they are being treated over there. So I don't think these terrorists can take the fact that Jammu and Kashmir is going to polls, कि वहाँ पे चुनाव हो रहा है. सीधी बात है. And this, by the way, is an area of Jammu. It is not Kashmir. It is not the Kashmir Valley. ये जम्मू का इलाका है वहाँ पर. And well, it's really and truly sad what's happened. This is the first major attack in Jammu and Kashmir in 2024. We are in the month of May. This is the first major attack on Indian Armed Forces personnel, which is, you know what, people were expecting something like this. I don't believe in all the wild conspiracy theories which are going on right now, but there are 5 personnel who have been injured. I hope they're all right. They are being treated, and they're being treated very, very well. The Rashtriya Rifles team is already there. They have cordoned off the area. पूरे के पूरे इलाके में नाकाबंदी कर दी है. मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये जो आतंकवादी हैं जिन्होंने ये जो कायर, actually they shouldn't even be called terrorists. They are actually these cowardly killers who come from across the border. पाकिस्तान से आकर के कभी ट्रक के ऊपर फायरिंग करते हैं, कभी कुछ करते हैं, कभी कुछ करते हैं. तो
Sir, there are 2-3 things that we need to discuss about. Article 370 के बाद BJP talked about totally the sterile Kashmir जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने किया था. And Rashtriya Suraksha is one of the pillars of what they're talking about. That we, with us, you're assured that the borders are protected. The borders are safe and sound with Prime Minister Modi in seat, in the saddle. So, 2-3 चीज़ है. So, how are you going to convince the people? Because it's an ongoing, because Congress is definitely going to exploit this particular thing, because I hope it doesn't happen, but who will not? It's an election season out there.
That's right. Or मान लीजिए अगर if the shoe had been on the other foot, the BJP would have done the same. Didn't they do it at the time of 26/11? I remember Mr. Modi holding a press conference, even as the terror attack was going on in the Taj. अभी तक याद है मुझको. So it's not as if the BJP wouldn't have exploited it.
The BJP and second thing, जो बार-बार जयशंकर जी हर मंच पर बोल रहे थे कि Modi ji has changed the retaliation where terror is concerned. Zero tolerance to terror. Right. Terrorists don't have rules. The response to terror cannot have rules. And Modi ji ने वो दिखा दिया. और Modi ji हर मंच पर ये बोल रहे थे कि हम डॉसियर देना बंद कर दिया. ये डॉसियर में ये होता था कि आपके आतंकवादी यहाँ से आए, वो ये कपड़ा पहना था, ये बंदूक पहना था, ये इस एक्सप्लोसिव को रखे, उड़ा के वापस चला गया. बोले the time for dossiers have changed and we have got a different नया भारत का सब. तो ये it again, you might call it one of the rare incidents or sporadic incidents, but then it reflects on the very plank that BJP is pillars of the entire thing, the entire campaign. There's Rashtriya Suraksha, Rashtrabad, retaliation to terror, zero tolerance to terror. Now this sadly, unless a huge retaliation takes place, this is not going to again satisfy the people that the country is safe.
And if a retaliation takes place, I'm sure the opposition is going to say this was all state managed. Because last time they won because of Pulwama, this time they might win because of this. I doubt it very much though, because there have been only 5 injured IAF personnel. I don't think this could be that, but and very frankly, as far as the opposition is concerned, I hope they also behave in a responsible manner and they don't try to make political capital out of this. I hope. That's all that one can hope.
But an attack on the country, on the state,
जी बिल्कुल.
It's not cannot be tolerated, and we have during the last 10 years been talking about these things, that there will be zero tolerance with terror. This is an act of terror.
It
This
is.
an act of
There
terror.
is no doubt about it.
And you can't have kid gloves, wearing kid gloves and talking about it. And this is not what the nation will expect of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
That's right.
And the country expects, like when Jaishankar was trying to understand that there was no response to 2611, because the then government thought that the response was more costlier than not to respond. So they thought profitable is not to respond, and they took the decision not to respond. But I don't think now that is that, because we have been suffering for a long time, and during the entire campaign and across the country, people believe that we are having a sigh of relief that things have changed, things are changing. But this should be the ultimate straw where terrorism is concerned.
And even though the hunt is on for the terrorists, I don't think it should just remain at that. We should retaliate. We should go across the border and retaliate, because these fellows have come from across the border. We should retaliate across the border, because this should not be tolerated at all, irrespective of whatever the opposition says or whatever whoever says. The fact is, anybody who attacks our armed forces, we cannot leave them in peace. जो मोदी जी बोलते हैं ना, घर में घुस के मारेंगे.
Exactly.
अब वक्त आ गया, जरा घर में घुस के मारिए, और ऐसे मारिए कि दोबारा ये ना हो. सीधी सादी बात.
वो पूरे जितने टेरर पैड्स है, टेरर लॉन्च पैड्स है across the border, I think with this intelligence network you already know where is it. If you knew
Yes.
that during the Balakot strike that entire terror camp was up the mountain, and you knocked off that entire terror base out there. So I think it's time that you already know where. Our intelligence over the years has been, if जो बोल रहे हैं कि आज सच कि कनाडा में जाके वहाँ पर eliminate करना, crossing the border and knocking the terrorists down in various countries, the allegations जो लग रहे हैं, if that is true, then it's time for Prime Minister Modi to show that he means it. It's not just
अरे भाई
talking about it.
ये कोई खाला जी का घर नहीं है कि आप बॉर्डर के ऊपर आ जाएं और हमारे एयरफोर्स के कॉन्वॉय के ऊपर आप फायरिंग करनी शुरू कर दें, और 5 हमारे बच्चे जो हैं उनको
Hurt grievously.
मतलब उनको गोली लग गई हो. मतलब ये क्या है? तो आपके जितने भी क्लेम थे अभी तक सुरक्षा को लेकर के, राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा को लेकर के, वो कहाँ गए? Let's be very clear. Where is the intelligence? They should, rightfully speaking, they should have seen it. They should have seen it coming. चुनाव का भाई चुनाव का मौसम है. मेरा ये कहना है कि चुनाव का मौसम है. चुनाव के मौसम में ऐसा होना ही था, मालूम होना चाहिए. So where was our intelligence network? तो लोग जो पूछ रहे हैं कि जब पुलवामा का अटैक हुआ, उसकी जो इंक्वायरी कमेटी की रिपोर्ट थी वो कहाँ है? मैं मानता हूं आप देश के साथ पूरी की पूरी आप शेयर नहीं कर सकते, आई एग्री विद यू. लेकिन जहां तक के पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी ऑन सिक्योरिटी है, उनके साथ तो शेयर कर सकते हैं ना. बता तो सकते हैं ना कि ये फला फला एक्शन हम लोगों ने लिया हमारे इस फला फला बंदे के खिलाफ. In any event, I hope this does not escalate into something that is uncontrollable, and I hope these 5 boys recover. अभी तक जो खबर आई है उसके मुताबिक इंजरीज आर नॉट लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग, ऐसा कहा गया है. आई एम नॉट श्योर. लेट्स सी, बिकॉज द उधमपुर हॉस्पिटल इज वेरी वेल इक्विप्ड. इट इज द बेस हॉस्पिटल, and I think they have the best surgeons and the best people working over there. So I hope everything goes fine. Right, to come back to politics, we'll keep you updated on this. Let's come back to politics. At the moment, from the Samajwadi Party,